we had three key areas the management wanted to prove this year, and that was growth in revenue, margin increase across the group, but also becoming profitability on the bottom line, being cash generative going into 2025.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me is Simon Deacon, the CEO of Light Science Technologies Holdings. Simon, good to speak with you again. Orders seem to be coming through with increasing regularity. Can you talk about your relationship with this customer?
Thank you, Stephen. Yeah, we've got a new relationship with this new client, and it's manufacturing golf balls, but they've got electronics within the golf balls. So this is within the contract electronics manufacturing up at UK Circuits. And what we're seeing is that the golf balls that we manufacture the electronics for have a shelf life of around 6 months. So there's a lot of recurring revenue. And this order contributes to just over £500,000 that we've received from this client starting at the beginning of the year. They've got around 18 operational venues between here in the UK and America, and they've got 8 new ones in construction. So it's a really good client to be having that relationship with, and may it continue.
Simon, how did you break into the sports entertainment segment, and what opportunities does it present?
Really down to the hard work of the team, that they look at various sectors in the market, and sports entertainment, audio, robotics, obviously agriculture, and fire protection units. We are mainly involved in those market sectors. And we look at sectors which are growing, and then find where the requirements are, and manufacture other people's products, as we do in pest control. So it's very much dedicated to the team expanding, and also having a very efficient automated production line here in the UK.
CEM has traditionally provided the majority of group revenue. Is the division growing more than expected?
I would say that we're having a good year, and it is more than the management expected this year. And that's really down, to the group and the team coming together, and customers, as I mentioned before, reassuring back to the UK of manufacture due to the uncertainties in the world, and us providing good quality and a good service of products, which is good to see. So yeah, we'll have a strong end of the year for the CEM sector as well.
I mean, the group itself seems to be performing across the board. Are you happy with the progress you've made in 2024?
Very happy with progress, Stephen. We've taken on 2 acquisitions towards the end of last year, and integrating those into the group, we've progressed really well, and we're seeing the benefit of that, not just in revenue, but also in gross margin. And this really drives our need. We had 3 key areas the management wanted to prove this year, and that was growth in revenue, margin increase across the group, but also becoming profitability on the bottom line, being cash generative going into 2025. And I believe we'll have a good, strong end of the year this year, at the end of November. So I'm very positive about it.
Well, Simon, hope you'll keep us updated on any additional progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen.
Simon Deacon is the CEO of Light Science Technologies Holdings.